Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download voice clip from Messenger. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, go to any browser and then search for m.facebook.com. You need to log in your Facebook via web browser. And then after that, go to your inbox. Just tap the messenger icon. Now right here you can see your messages. At the top right corner of your screen, just click on that and then turn it into desktop site. It will then look like this. After that, click on the message that has the voice clip. And then you can see right here this option when you tap on the voice clip, download. Just tap on that to download the voice clip. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.